Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I got this set off of Amazon, made in China, that's the name of it. It's a set for the oscillating tool, so I'm not sure how many come in here. 24 pieces come in here, so you know they're made like crap, and it's made in China. You have no idea, it's probably made like crap. But anyway, it comes with a bunch of these. Well, it comes with 2 of these. Wood, plastic, soft metal is for these right here. And then comes with a bunch of these ones that I think are all the same. These are just for wood. So these are the ones I'm going to give to Denise right now. She's going to try it out on the cabinet. All right. They should cut hopefully quick. And then over here we have wood with plastic. That one says wood with plastic. Like I said, I'm not sure how many. There's 3 wood right here. Wood, plastic, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 of these. Now this says this says wood and metal. That's wood and plastic. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 wood, wood and metal, 4 wood and plastic. Just wood, I only see 3. And there's only 2 of those. Like, there you go. Okay, so there's only 2 of those. And let's see what else is in here. And so this says just wood. And there's 1, 2. Oh, there's only 2 of these. 2. Oh, here it is. 3 and 4 of just wood. And then wood and plastic. There is 4 of these as well. And then they give you this in here as well. What's this? Spacers? Oh, these are spacers, I guess. To make them fit on certain machines, maybe. Hopefully it just fits on mine. Here's the oscillating tool blades. The user guide is what it says. Thanks purchasing, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what else. Any issue, contact us. Compatible with, hopefully, the... What do I got? I don't see Ryobi on there. But maybe they just don't know about Ryobi. So, oh, I might as well leave that open because I'm going to put everything back. So she's going to test out the wood one right now. Here it is right here. So she's going to test out these ones right here, just wood, and we'll see how fast she can get through this cabinet. She already started using the Ryobi one. It's not Ryobi. It just came with the Ryobi oscillating tool. She just tested that out, just so you guys know. It's right here. This is the one that came with Ryobi. A lot more aggressive teeth. So let's see how much she can rip through it. Plus, this has the measuring tool. So let's see how it goes. It's only wood. So I expect she's going to be able to get it on easily, do it easily. All right, ready? Let's do this. Here, put this on. Yeah, it's easier standing on the top, yeah. You want to use that one's taller, never mind. All right, so I figured this out. Got to do small sections at a time. This dries too quick.
Why dries too quick?
This. You got to do 12-inch sections of this glue. Once it dries, it's so hard to get off. And it dries in 5 minutes.
What?
Right here, this. See?
Oh.
It dries quick.
Oh, okay.
So you got to be, I'm only going to do 12-inch sections now.
Okay.
That's